Somewhere on this island, 500 and 1,000 are already hidden. Ngayon, naghihintay at malay mo, malapit sa inyong bahay. And tomorrow at exactly 2 p.m., we're dropping the big clue. The clue that could lead you straight to the prize. At palagi naming iniisip, what if ang nakakita ng pera na yun ay kailangan nyo talaga at dahil doon, nakatulong kami. Pero ito yung part na nakakalimutan ng lahat. The hidden clues, they've already started. At bukas, only mga subscribers lang ang makakauna. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, mag-subscribe ka na para hindi ka mahuli. At panoorin mo ng mabuti ang mga video. Dahil may tinago kaming mga clues inside them. Tiny clues that only the sharpest eye will catch. Again, subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn that bell on para ma-notify ka kaagad. See you tomorrow everyone, and please be ready. Good luck!